Good afternoon, visitors. Right now, arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the American Mariner. The American Mariner was built in 1980 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 730 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She's powered by two 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 13 knots, or about 15 miles per hour. She's also equipped with that 1,000 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Mariner has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 44 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 37,300 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Mariner is currently owned by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York, and she's operated under charter by Grand River Navigation of Traverse City, Michigan. Right now, the American Mariner is arriving in the Twin Ports with a load of limestone to deliver to Hallett Dock number 5. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. What you just heard there is known as the Captain's Salute, one long horn followed by 2 short horns. It's a common greeting here between the bridge and the ships at the canal. Once again, we have the American Mariner, built in 1980, 730 feet in length, here to deliver limestone to Hallett Dock number 5. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big old wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. Also, the Lake Superior Maritime Visitor Center will be closing for the day in approximately 10 minutes at 4:30 p.m. Right now, our hours are Thursdays through Mondays from 10 a.m. to 4:30. Once again, the Lake Superior Maritime Visitor Center will be closing in 10 minutes at 4:30.